Hello, it's you back again with another review. We have a new tool for this week. We got the serpentine belt wrench set. Part number right there on screen. MSBT15A. Let's open her up. This is the only tool I got this week, or this new tool I got. I did add a new mic onto the camera, so let me know if you hear a difference on the comments below, if it's better quality or what exactly. Hopefully it's a better audio for you guys. So backwards, here you go. Let's open it up. Here it is. And there's your tool. Right there you got some crow's feet, 13, 14, 15. You got these shallow, kind of like turbo sockets. You got 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. You got also some adapters. So this is a 3/8 drive with the square end for here, for this part here. Let me fix the lighting real quick. I don't like the lighting. So here's your ratcheting mechanism here. And then here's your little pry bar. So you would put that to whatever position you get it. This is ratcheting, so you could put a 3/8 if it's a 3/8 tensioner, like that. You also have a 1/2 inch or a 1/2 inch tensioner, and you also have a 3/4, which is really neat for big trucks. So let's go on my Ranger and we'll see how simple this little set really is. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but the tensioner is down there. Let me get you guys off the tripod so you guys can look better. So tensioner is right there, let me put on the tensioner so we can see how easy it is. We're just gonna send an example on me replacing the serpentine belt. Now that I got my angle on the camera pretty good, there's the tensioner right there. You can see that right there. Try to zoom in on it. There you go. So let's try it. We're gonna try this kit out here. This kit here, it's a Matco kit. Part number again. Kit MSBT15A. On my Ranger, it's a 3/8 drive tensioner, so we're gonna add the 3/8 drive end. We're gonna put the breaker bar here, just like that. See if you can get in there. Now the engine is kind of hot, so I'm trying not to burn myself. Wouldn't be the first time. And the neat thing is it's ratcheting, so you can move that. I don't know if you can see that on camera good. Oh, let me zoom in for you guys. Right there. the mechanisms on there. Let me show you again. Put it off. Oh, 3/8 drive got stuck on there, so we'll take the piece off. So put that on right there. On there, and the little pry bar, we could come at it at an angle this way. So you can pull on it. Are you getting a clear view mirror? No, you're not. You're not seeing shit. From a different angle. So the pry bar's there, the ratchet mechanism is there. Let me try to move the camera at a better angle for you guys. So there's a tensioner there, right there with the ratchet mechanism, 3/8 drive, and the little pry bar. And now the only thing you're gonna have to do is pull. And it's pretty easy this way because you got a lot of angle and the belt is really loose, so you could slip it out no problem. Put the new one on and pretty easy. This tool is really neat. Very low profile. I like their low profile adapters. Another thing you could do, let me zoom out a bit. If you don't want you don't like this little 3/8 drive pry bar they give you, you should get a ratchet. So a little neat ratchet come in handy would be this low profile Pittsburgh 3/8 ratchet. If it's a really tight spot, because I know there's a lot of cars that have tight spots. You get your little adapter piece where this would go on your this way. That will go on. And instead of using, if you don't want this one because you can't get to it for some reason or something like that, you can use a ratchet. I would use the 3/8 low profile Pittsburgh Pro ratchet. Get in there, it's more ratcheting, so you got two things that are ratcheting, so you can play with it. Get in there. Let me give you guys an idea with the low profile. Like that. If I want the low profile ratchet, you go up here. Like that. Now I can ratchet it. Move it up from up here. It's loose now. Take off the belt, replace the belt, and we're good to go. Pretty neat. So let me get you guys off that point of view to show you up here. So from here, I have the focus, the ratchet mechanism. Put it on manual. Ratchet mechanisms down there. Pittsburgh Pro's up here. So I'll just pull it. The belt's loose, slip her off, put put the new one on, or if I'm replacing a tensioner or a pulley. It's a pretty neat trick. So if you don't like the little pry bar they give you, can use that slim profile. I'm not a sponsor for them, I just like it. So yeah, I like this tool. This tool's pretty neat. Very low profile tool. I haven't used it on a vehicle yet, but from just using it on my truck, I would think it would come very in handy. So I'll take it to work, see if I'll use it more, and then let you guys know if I recommend it or not. But for this set here, the reason why I got this one was because of all these low profile sockets, and they have 13 to 19, and then they have for the trucks the 3/4 drive, which is pretty neat when you get a couple crow's feet. So I think this set is a pretty neat set. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Later.